Hey YouTube, Andrew's Lock and Key. What's happening in Hivemapper community and Discord? We're going to redo the video from last night because I was really horrible on the evening time. We have a little bit of cloud cover today, but let's give this a shot and find out what happens. So, I'm going to talk about my mounts. We have one here hanging on the side of the van. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's literally moving the van when I'm trying to pull this thing off. Let's listen to it pop on. I mean, it's not going anywhere. We can throw it on top of the Lexus over here. It isn't going anywhere, guys. I mean, that does not move no matter what I do. I have to kind of rock it to get it to come up. And that's what we have. It also has some mounting screws to spin 360. You have a mount screw on this side. You also have an Allen screw to lock it in place once you get it there. You have a 90-degree turn if you wanted to. Also, this thing spins 360 degrees, whichever way you want to put it. Let's talk about the mount that's up here right now with this camera, so you guys can see how well it actually holds with what I have going on this side of my van. For my right-facing camera, I actually have a rain gutter that allows the rain to roll off the van down or all the way back down, whichever way it wants to go. But what I wanted to show you guys is I actually do not have this magnet fully on the side of the magnets, because I'm only taking about 6 to 8 of them. There's a bunch of them on the bottom of it here. You guys can see all those. Probably not in the camera, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, like I thought, there's about 12. So it's holding on about 6 of them with the way that I have them holding here. Like Ariel said, we get a much better GPS signal with them on the out, so you guys can see it. We have all of the lights on right now. I know a lot of you guys complain about the GPS lock. Isn't it locking all the time when it's inside the car? I never have. I lose GPS when I'm on the outside of the vehicle at all. So in all reality, guys, whoever wants to challenge me with these cameras on top of these mounts on a vehicle, it's absolutely amazing. So if you guys want to mount your cameras on the outside, I recommend doing this. My normal other one sits right here. But obviously it's sitting back there right now. So at the end of the day, you got my approval on these. I know we don't have a lot of approval from Hivemapper, but Ariel definitely talked in the Discord about using these cameras, these mounts for something specifically in the community itself altogether. So at the end of the day, guys, you get a thumbs up from me for these mounts. Like I said, they are absolutely amazing. I'll show you guys one more time. It is not coming off. That's it magnetizing to the van. I'm literally could almost hang off of that. Not really, but I only weigh 135 pounds. So, but at the end of the day, that will hold your camera just fine on top of your vehicle if you want to run them on the outside. As long as you guys have metal that it's actually connected to. So again, happy mapping, folks. We love you out there. Find me on Discord. Like, subscribe on the YouTube channel. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you. Have a great day.